Sound check. This is Jerry Diamond with How to Get Out of Babylon. And Flat Earth Homeland and Ozark Plateau Remnant Relocation Association headquarters. I've always considered wherever I am, that's where I am. I mean, as far as a headquarters, that's where it is. Right now it's here. So, that being said, we're going to do sound check. I will be reading Lights Out, one chapter. Typical. Just got off phone calls. 3-4 hours. It's 1:10. Past my bedtime. It's past pumpkin time. ppm. It's not parts per million. That's past pumpkin time. Alright. So, hasta la vista, baby. Just a sound check.